Hi guys, welcome to my first vlog. Today I'm gonna be giving a small brief description of this Mercedes GLA 200 Patrol CKD unit, completely knocked down unit built in India. So starting with the tires, this car comes with the AMG design 18 inches alloy wheels. This car has the tubeless Bridgestone tire, not the RFTs, not the run flat tires. And coming in the front, this car is equipped with the Mercedes Performance LED headlights with the LED indicators, and this doesn't have the fog lamp though because of the performance lights. And the car looks very sharp from the last generation and very grown up from the last generation of Mercedes GLA which used to come in India. So this is the side profile of the car. So let me show you what's inside the car now. I'll show you the interior. The interior is very spacious than the last generation of Mercedes-Benz GLA. So starting with the start stop button with the automatic start off function in this car. You've got controls on both the side of the steering, and this car has the digital meter with the digital information system. And coming to the center console of the car, this car has these buttons, metallic buttons on the center with AC controllers. These are for the temperatures on both the passenger and the driver side. This car has got the dynamic mode, which is basically your eco, comfort, sport, and individual. And this car has the center touchpad also, the home button, so you can directly access to the infotainment system directly. Let me show you the horn of this car. These are the on the right side are the controllers for the display meter which you have. This is the sport design I'm going to choose. Yes, this is your sport design, and you can choose between classic, sports, progressive, understated. This is the classic one. It's very classic. These are the right control switch buttons in the car. In the center it's automatic. This is the rear defogger button. Coming to the center console, these are the buttons for the indicators, hazardous lights basically. And the car has 64 colors ambient lighting system. I'll show you in detail the lighting system. So touchpad screen with a very good quality, and this is the vehicle information, the steering direction, the angle. This is the engine information of what's the average. This is the consumption. This is the driver manual information you get. This car has the adaptive seats, and these are the controls for the ambient lighting. So you have blue, red, violet, every color you have in this car. You can choose your preference color, whatever suits you. So let me show you the lights very precisely, what all lights you have and what all the colors. So yes, these are the lights on your AC vents, on the center console, and on the dashboard. You've got LEDs on the doors also, on both the doors, and even on the rear doors also. So let me show you now the driving part of this car. And here I am driving this beautiful GLA 200 Patrol. So this is what the interior looks like. It's very spacious, very spacious. The interior is very spacious. And let me change the screen. The odometer design, I have put it into classic. The screen is very responsive. At the press of a button, everything changes quickly. Let me show you the progressive, where the display comes in the digital form. And this is the sunroof. The car comes with the sunroof in the front and the moonroof at the back. Beautiful sky though. So let me put the car into sports mode, where I can show you the punch of the car. So yep. The engine is very punchy though. Let me park the car now and show you, do a walk around video of the car, telling you all the engine details, all the specification of the car briefly. So I parked the car here, and this is the gear lever control. RNDP, reverse neutral drive NP. Same gear lever as our Rolls Royce, but not a Rolls Royce, sadly. Now I'll be doing a walk around of the car. I've showed you the alloys earlier also. Beautiful design, AMG alloys, inspired by AMG basically. This is the interior. This is how it looks from the back. Both LED headlights and LED tail lamps. These are the back seats of the car, where you have the AC controls at the back also for the rear passengers. This is the passenger view. So this particular GLA 200 comes with a 1.3 liter engine with 250 Nm of torque and 160 horsepower. Whereas the diesel 220D comes with a 2 liter diesel engine with 190 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque. And if you talk about the car size, it's grown up a lot as from the last generation of GLA. These are the LED headlights with the LED indicators. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is my first video as I told you, so I need to do a lot of improvements, and slowly and gradually I'll do that. Please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment box what do you feel about this video, and any suggestions, I'll be happy to see them. Thank you so much guys for watching this video.